Live from South America.
We are in
Quito, capital de Ecuador.
And we're here to see everything, taste everything, and just enjoy our time in this beautiful, beautiful city in the Andes.
Yeah, join us.
Nos vamos, nos vamos.
Vamos.
My name is Matt. I'm from the United States.
I'm Lorena from Venezuela.
And we are going to travel the world. Come join us.
Vinimos a ver una galería de arte en el medio de Quito que está repleta de cuadros de Camilo Egas, que fue uno de los artistas más importantes que tiene esta ciudad. Y el edificio y las pinturas son una belleza. El edificio fue construido obviamente por la colonización española, así que tiene ese estilo europeo.
Yeah, it's beautiful paintings all about the indigenous people here in Ecuador.
Yeah.
Okay, let's try the chicha once again. No, this one is not fermented.
¿Cómo es la chicha? ¿De qué viene la chicha?
Esta de aquí, Marlon, ¿chicha de qué es? De avena.
De avena. ¿Y quién la hizo? ¿Quién es el responsable de esta chicha?
Es un guía, pero no está aquí. Se fue.
Gracias.
Sí, perdón.
Gracias.
Well, today we are here. As I told you, the Quiche is the second official language. There's no an expression for say cheers, but we normally say ubiache. That means let's drink. Now, at the count of three, we must say ubiache. 1, 2, 3.
Obrigado.
Cheers, sante, chin chin. I'm trying to learn how to say cheers in all the different languages. I know maybe 5, 6 more.
A ver si Mati.
Tú sé. Muy rico. Muy rico. ¿Y tú?
A ver. Chicha. We also have chicha in Venezuela.
The tasting of traditional candies.
Es como compota. It tastes like the baby food. ¿Sabes?
Oh,
Like that sweetness.
Caca de perro.
Yes, the name is not the best one.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Bueno, primera vez eating caca de perro. Sweet, right?
You know that the cuts, the cowboy cuts. Technically, the original ones were made with skin of cow and hair of llama. Why? For survive the cold weather on the mountains. And please, you must put your legs inside the leather. This is not an original samar. It is just a hand extra large. Okay, let me help you with this. The second part of the vestment, not common, is the poncho. Poncho is just for men. For ladies, the ladies have another fabric with the name of chalina. The ladies use the chalina, it's just a rectangular fabric over the shoulders, on this way. In a couple of communities, for example, Otavalo, you can recognize if the lady is single or married just looking at the position of the chalina. If the ladies use the chalina with a knot in front of the neck, means that the lady is married. If the knot is over the shoulder or this way, means that the lady is single. Go ahead. And the last part of the vestment is going to be the mask I told you, the mask of the Ayoma, with the two faces. The side with eyelashes is supposed to be the female side. The side with no eyelashes is the male side.
Okay.
Go ahead, and let me help you with this. And also, in a couple of communities, you can recognize if a man is single or married, just look in the poncho. If the man is showing the arms, he's single.
Los músculos.
Yes, for show the muscles.
Y si accidentalmente se le cae,
Lo
pierde la
sujetan.
oportunidad.
Lo sujetan con clips. This one and San Plaza. What's it called? The men did something horrible for the
Quito.
The men increased the price of one of the most important products in that time. Gasolina de avión or airplane gas with 70 or 75% of alcohol. I know it's really strong. English, Sante, Chin Chin,
Salancha.
Loncha. Good Spanish, you must wait maybe 13 years more. Please control your glasses. We're going to use the same ones for the rest of the liquids.
Rocket.
So instead,
Aquí seguimos.
but if you said that, say,
Mira, una cosa que we tried before and it was fantastic are these things. It look like gummies, but they are not gummies. No se dejen engañar. There's no gummies. You put it in the tongue and then you squeeze it a little bit and it's like it pops, like it breaks, and then the alcohol is like everywhere.
Muy rico.
Delicioso.
cacao, yeah, and that's it, 100%.
100% cacao.
90%. This is what my ex.
Bitter.
You like it?
So good.
This is like so.
I love dark chocolate.
It will get better. Yeah.
We have tickets. So it was $8, $4 each for foreigners and $2 for locals.
Ahora nos toca subir, going up to la Basílica del Voto Nacional. The biggest basilica and the main one in Quito.
It's beautiful. And one cool fact about it is there's 3 similar ones. It has similarities to Notre Dame, and you can see the animals along the walls, like the gargoyles in Notre Dame. But here it's all animals from Ecuador.
Quito. Vamos. La primera parada es el Rosetón. ¡Tarán!
Arriba.
Gótica, 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 gótica.
We went up to the condor's nest, and it is a hike up. It is not fun.
No, fan, estoy temblando. A mí no me gustan estas cosas. Pero me tiré.
It's scary.
The stairs are so tiny.
Mira.
Para esto semejante miedo.
Don't forget to hit that bell, subscribe, follow us.
Sí, no se olviden de seguirnos y dejarnos todos sus comentarios.